in the shadow whispers of the twilight sigh. A locket closed with memories of you and I. Underneath the echo of the weeping sky. After the rain, the light again, never to die. Softly now the stars begin their quiet dance. Each a step, a memory, a lost romance. Here in my heart, where your voice still sings, through seasons shift and times unyielding wings, love stays unbroken by the storm's harsh rain. In the silence, your laughter remains. After the rain, after the pain, the light again, always the same. Through pages of the past, where our fingers trace each line a story, our hearts interlaced. A distant melody plays on, not erased. In dreams we dance, forever embraced. Once more the night whispers your sweet name, a quiet lullaby, a fading flame. Here in my heart, where your voice still sings, through seasons shift and times unyielding wings, love stays unbroken by the storm's harsh rain. In the silence, your laughter remains. After the rain, after the pain, the light again, always the same. And if tears could build a stairway to the skies, I'd climb each night to find those close lost eyes. But here I stand beneath our stars' eternal gaze, loving you beyond the end of days. Here in my soul, where your echo softly rings, beyond the silence where our love still clings. Time fades, yet your touch forever reigns in every shadow. Your spirit sustains. After the rain, love finds its way. The light again, in me you'll stay. In the amber glow of a fading summer's eve, we traced our dreams beneath the stars from a creaky porch swing. Your laughter mingled with the whispers of the night. Those words we shared, now echoes lost to time. Those moments felt like forever in a glance, a perfect freeze frame held in the warmth of your hands. Words that died on the tip of our memories still dance in the halls of my mind. Old melodies, every note a bittersweet symphony, held so dear in the silence of what's gone. Your voice is all I hear. Could a whisper or a touch ever be so alive? Yet here in my heart, those words never die. Ooh, the rustle of leaves, the soft sighs of the wind, a flicker of shadows as the evening drew in. Your eyes a reflection of the moon's gentle light, a detail so tender it haunts my dreams at night. Under that vast sky where our whispers entwine, those seconds suspended in the air and the time. Words that died on the tip of our memories still dance in the halls of my mind like old melodies. Every note a bittersweet symphony, held so dear in the silence of what's gone. Your voice is all I hear. Could a whisper or a touch ever be so alive? Yet here in my heart, those words never. Seasons have turned, carrying away the traces of day. But some things, like the words we spoke, never truly fade. They linger perennial as the stars refuse in the night's decay. Words that died but live on through my reverie, a haunting gentle song that stirs the soul in me. Each lyric carved deep in the marrow of my fears, in the quiet of the night through the veil of years. Could a whisper or a touch ever be so alive here in my soul? Those words softly survive. Under the glow of a lone street lamp light, we share whispers that dance through the cooling night. Your laughter mixed with the summer air, a tender memory I still wear. Felt like a secret held between old city stones, a sacred silence speaking in tones only we could own. Oh, under that street lamp soul where the shadows play, your eyes held stories, new worlds and shades of gray. Those moments captured in the amber of old street lights still dreams, it's there. footsteps in rhythm, a melody pen. The soft glow of moonlight in your hair. These are the snapshots my heart still bears. Just a whisper of the past, soft and bittersweet. Every pulse of the city's heart matched our own beats. Just under that street lamp soul where the shadows play, your eyes held stories, new worlds and shades of gray. Those moments captured in the amber of old street lights, still burning bright through my loneliest nights. The pavement holds the echo of your steps. In my dreams it's there, your laughter never left. Though time may fade the edges of what once was ours, in the quiet of the night under the faint street lamp stars, the past lingers sweet, refuses to let go. In every shadow, every light, soft glow. There under that street lamp soul where life seems to stay, your eyes timeless as the night, never truly fade away. Echoes of our laughter, a melody that fights the dawn. In the street lamps glow, our memory lives on. The pavement whispers back each step you took. In the book of my life, you are every page, every look. Oh, the pavement holds the echo of your steps. In my dreams it's there, your laughter never left. In the quiet of our last dawn, shadows played on unsaid words. Your eyes like distant stars, cold and silently withdrawn. Love slipped through the seams, an unspoken tale unheard. Echoes of our laughter, now a ghost in the morning's yawn. How I long to tell you each fear, each hidden scar. Your silence a fortress, my words could never breach. You lay to whisper the secrets that weigh on my heart. Too late to hold you, to fix what's out of reach. The quiet haunts every corner, every empty part. When loved ones left, now just a barren beach. I reach out in the night, finding nothing but air. Too late, too silent, forever unaware. Time moved on, but our clock stopped at goodbye. The air grew thick with all that was not said. Your shadow in the hallway, just a sigh. A memory fading in the bed we once shared. Still I yearn to break the silence, spill my fears, but the words dissolve like tears in rain. Too late to whisper the secrets that weigh on my heart. Too late to hold you, silent, forever unaware. In the echo of your absence, I've found no peace. Every unsent letter, a testament of my despair. In the silence, our lost love finds its ceaseless release. Too late to mend the dreams that night has torn apart. Too late for words to heal what's no longer there. In this silence, the depths of loss are stark. A heart quietly breaking in the solace of its lair. Reaching, always reaching, but you're no longer there. Too late, too silent, an unending silence.